Hey everyone, it's Alessandro Bruxo from Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a roasted Romanesco with some Indian spices and a honey ginger yogurt sauce. Also going to be serving you with some pomegranate seeds and toasted pine nuts. We're going to be roasting the Romanesco whole, but you can also cut up the florets and roast them individually. The same recipe also works great with cauliflower or even broccoli florets. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get started. To start, wash the Romanesco and remove any leaves from the base. I'm using 2 small Romanesco heads. Then, add some extra virgin olive oil to a small bowl, about 4 tablespoons. Half teaspoon of Garam Masala. Some ground cumin, about 1/4 teaspoon. And half teaspoon of curry powder. Mix it well to combine. Place the Romanescos on a baking sheet and generously brush with the oil mixture. Brush it all around. It can also be brushed on the base so the oil runs in between the florets. Then, sprinkle the Romanescos with salt. Place it in a preheated oven at 415 Fahrenheit, 212 Celsius and roast until nice and tender, about 40 to 45 minutes. In the meantime, let's work on the yogurt sauce. We're using 5.3 ounces, 150 grams of plain Greek yogurt. Add the juice of 1 wedge of a lemon, about 1 tablespoon. Some freshly grated ginger, about a teaspoon. A drizzle of honey. A pinch of ground cumin. A pinch of ground cardamom. And a pinch of cayenne pepper. Mix it well and taste. Then you can adjust the spices depending on your taste. The Romanesco is done when nice and tender, and the florets start to brown. To serve, add a base of the honey ginger yogurt to the plate. Then top it with the roasted Romanesco. Sprinkle with some pomegranate seeds. Some toasted pine nuts. And some lemon zest. I also like to drizzle some of the yogurt sauce over the Romanesco. This is a great vegetarian dish with a nice combination of flavors. You have sweet, salty, acid, heat from the cayenne and ginger, all the spices. I'm sure you're gonna love it. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.